The first thing that comes to my mind is an assembly line. A lot of small things or intricate parts all coming together into a greater whole. It may start simple, but in the end, it can become something wonderful.
The first thing that comes to mind when I think of manufacturing is the sort of process of manufacturing, the work that a bunch of people put in to make something beautiful. They create something that can be used for space travel, they can create something that can be used for airplanes, and just stuff that can be used for general improvement of our society.
I think of steel mills and building like boats or ships or like rocket ships.
Making food, making plastic, making the paper bags for the food, making boxes. Manufacturing is everything and production is king. Anything you buy, anything you use is manufactured somewhere by someone or a robot.